FloodArmor Kit, revolutionizing flood protection. Flooding is a major issue in Malaysia, causing extensive damage to homes, businesses, and critical infrastructure. The FloodArmor Kit aims to address this problem with an innovative solution designed for easy deployment and effective protection. Malaysia is prone to severe and recurrent floods, especially during monsoon seasons. These floods lead to significant property damage, displacement of communities, loss of income, and health hazards. Traditional flood mitigation systems, such as drainage systems and advisories, have proven insufficient to handle the increasing severity of floods. With climate change intensifying these weather events, there's an urgent need for a more effective flood protection solution. Introducing the FloodArmor Kit, a revolutionary flood barrier system designed to enhance disaster preparedness for homes, businesses, and critical structures. This kit employs the latest technology and a human-centered design to offer a robust, stable, and easily implementable solution for flood protection. One of the key innovations in the FloodArmor Kit is the integration of IoT sensors. These sensors capture real-time data on water levels and the structural integrity of the flood barriers, relaying this information to users through a dedicated smartphone app. This app not only warns users of impending flood threats, but also provides guidance on deploying the kit effectively, enhancing both the reactivity and authority of the user. The FloodArmor Kit is designed with the user in mind. It features lightweight yet durable materials that are easy to transport and assemble. The modular design allows it to be customized to fit various entry points and perimeters, making it suitable for different types of properties and flood scenarios. The kit's components are reusable, promoting sustainable flood management practices. Our market survey, conducted with 50 respondents from various segments of the civil engineering industry, revealed a high level of acceptance for the FloodArmor Kit. 60% of the respondents had experienced flooding, and they found the kit to be a practical and effective solution. The survey also highlighted the importance of user-friendly design and quick deployment, both of which are core features of the FloodArmor Kit. In terms of performance, the kit has been rigorously tested in various flood scenarios. It can withstand significant water pressure and provides reliable protection against floodwaters. The real-time monitoring and data collection capabilities of the IoT sensors ensure that users are always informed about the status of their flood defenses, allowing for timely interventions. Protecting your property from floods has never been easier or more efficient. The FloodArmor Kit offers a comprehensive solution that combines advanced technology with practical design. Imagine a flood barrier that not only protects your home or business, but also provides real-time updates on its performance and the surrounding flood conditions. The FloodArmor Kit is easy to assemble and deploy, requiring no special tools or professional assistance. Whether you're a homeowner looking to safeguard your property or a first responder preparing for emergency situations, this kit provides the protection you need. To encourage widespread adoption, we are partnering with insurance companies to offer rebates on premiums for those who install the FloodArmor Kit. This initiative not only incentivizes individual property owners, but also contributes to broader community resilience against flooding. By choosing the FloodArmor Kit, you're not just protecting your property, you're investing in a sustainable and innovative solution that addresses the growing challenges of climate change and flood management. Don't wait until the next flood hits. Take proactive steps to secure your home, business, and community. Protect your property with the FloodArmor Kit today and experience the peace of mind that comes with advanced flood protection.